Hey, thanks for checking this out. Today I'm going to be showing you around a very special 67 Fastback. This is a factory big block S-code car with a 390, all the GT equipment in a really cool color combination that looks like it belongs at the beach. Clearwater Aqua over an aqua interior. Come on, take a closer look. This is newly available here at Lafontaine Classics. Staring at the front of this car, the paint is deep and glossy everywhere we can see. The chrome looks awesome. Being a GT, you see we got this nice GT grille with the fog lamps. Pony's looking proud. It's also got the louvered hood with the turn indicators in there. This car additionally benefited from someone checking the S-code option. Gives her a big block 390, largest motor available in your 67 Fastback. Factory equipment included power steering and power disc brakes. And this one even has the original VIN stamping on the fender apron, adding to the collectability and the originality, of course. Hood closes up very well, sits down in the fenders nicely. This car is loaded with options. One of them is the exterior decor group. You see the bright work around the wheel arch moldings, nice styled steel wheels, the GT stripe going down the side of the car, the body side moldings, all the chrome and stainless steel appointments around the windows. She's a stunner. Out back, we got a lovely set of hips. Now I'm just digging everything this car has going on. The 67s are sweet for their body, the louvered quarters, and this excellent Fastback rear end. You notice we have the GT quad exhaust and the GT pop-off gas cap. Okay. All right, smooth action on the trunk. So we got a nice clean compartment. The Deluxe Marti Report, this will be available to view on our website. We'll put the link down in the description. Fold down seat car and full-size spare with the jack instruction stickers still under the deck lid like it should. Closes up great. Moving down the passenger side. Whomever's done the paint and body on here has done a fine job. It's not wavy, I don't see any dirt, no runs. Dual mirror car in chrome, looking stout. Window molding looks nice, and everything on this car matches from side to side. Dig it. Let's check out the interior. Cool. Doors open up wonderfully. We have the door tag present. Seals are in good condition. The two-tone aqua and a medium blue vinyl interior looks sweet. And I've mentioned earlier, this car is very well loaded up, and it's got a lot of cool options. Many of them are quite rare, like this tilt column. Very sweet. And we have a crack-free deluxe steering wheel. Our deluxe instrument panel looking great. Got 89,000 miles on the clock, which are believed to be original. We have the in-dash clock and gauges for oil pressure, amp meter, coolant temp, and our fuel level. Heater controls are just over here on the left-hand side. Good looking matching floor mats, nice carpet kit with a kick pad. Now in the center of this ride, we've got the full floor console with an AM/FM Philco radio. Excellent looking dash pad, beautiful deluxe brush finishes inside. Original owner's manual inside this nice tidy glove box. And as we look up, see this car has the overhead console as well, which is quite a rare piece. And this one's in excellent shape. Those are really hard to find. Looking out back here, we got matching floor mats for our rear passengers. We have the deluxe seat belts. We got the deluxe seat backs with the chrome on them, baby. Courtesy lamps look good. The interior panels are in great shape. This is our fresh air vent. The louvers on the side of this car are actually functional. Rear bench, nicely covered. Fabric's in great condition. All the panels wrapping around the rear window are nice and tight. All the hardware and fasteners are tight. Rear window looks good. This headliner is holding up sturdy. And again, that handsome console. So cool. Leaving the shop in this beautiful rig. Our 390s running strong. Transmission has no trouble shifting through the gears. The power steering feels good. Steering box is tight. We have great input. Power brakes feel good. Turn indicator lighting up on the dash. All right. Got our factory radio here. Oh. That's AM and FM. It's pretty impressive that is still functioning. Dig it. All right, coolant is warming up. Fuel level is low. That makes sense. Oil pressure is good. Battery's charging. Speedo's working. Odometer's rolling. Everything working in front of me. This analog clock is sitting still. But that'll be all right. Shifting now into third. Doing 60 miles an hour now. There's no vibration anywhere in the car. Steering wheel, it's not shaking any bit. Car handles like a Mustang GT in the corner. I like that. Transmission kicks down like it should. These C6s are sturdy as a rock. She downshifted second when we started asking for it. Even was able to chirp the tires. These 390s, if you're unfamiliar, they're no joke. I think they're about 15, maybe 20 horsepower shy of the 428s. And they scoot pretty good. It's a great platform too if you ever wanted to turn it up a bit. This one's the bee's knees just the way she is. Thank you for checking this video out. If you want to know anything more about it, call us at 248-714-2110 or drop us an email at inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Look forward to hearing from you and answering any questions you got. Also, too, down in the description of this video, if you just scroll down a little bit right here, there'll be a link that will take you to the full listing of this pretty car on our website. We've got a nice photo gallery all the way around it, inside it, close-ups of that Marti Report, pictures up underneath it, everything you're looking for and potentially more right there below. And if you like Mustangs, hang out on our site for a minute. I think we have a handful or two right now. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.